Did you know you can do a technical analysis of stocks on your Mac? It's built natively into the Mac, so you can check what stocks are available online. All you need to do is press Command and Shift and type stocks, then click stocks. And if you've never opened it before, the following screen will appear. It shows you market data, business news on all your devices. So the first thing we need to do is press continue. And now it gives me all of the stocks, the Dow Jones, the S&P 500 and the AAPL, which is Apple. And it gives me news on the right hand side about stocks. So today, 1 hour ago, it told me that UK interest rates held at 3.75%, but banks says future cuts are likely. So you can use this. You can maximize the screen by clicking on the full screen button. And now that it's full screen, I can go through and read everything that is to do with stocks and make a technical analysis. So if you hold stocks or you want to hold stocks, you can do your research within your Apple Mac. And if I go to the left hand side and I want to know more about any of these, for example, BRK, I can just click on BRK and it gives me all the information about that particular stock. And it gives me all of the news that is related to the stock. So if I want to find out about Apple stock, maybe wanting to invest in Apple, I can go over to the left hand side, click on AAPL, and now it tells me all about Apple Inc. and gives me all the news. So if something was about to be launched, like a new device, or if information has come out which is a good indicator to invest in that stock, I can be well informed. If I go here to Market Watch, which is an article that is given to me from Apple, I can also see different news articles at the top. They're all different news outlets, so it's not just one news outlet, which will be really biased. You can compare news across all different news platforms to find out more about that particular stock. All this is provided by Yahoo Finance, which gives you the NASDAQ in real time. So if you want to invest in a stock, open your Mac and start researching today.